Welcome back, everybody, to Road to a King. Can all my kings please rise up? So we here, as y'all see, we got a beautiful boat in the background for everybody planning his summertime's fine coming up, for everybody going on a cruise. Here's just a couple tips to keep in mind when planning your vacation, okay? Tip number one, going on a cruise. The departure time is not the time to arrive. The boat will literally leave you, paid or not, okay? So if it says 4 p.m. departure, that's not the time to arrive. Okay, that's you need to get there at least 2 hours before, because that's the time period they're gonna check your bags in. You get there after about 2:30, you're carrying all your luggage by yourself. Okay, and as well as that, if you're parking your car nearby the port, which is sometimes one of the best ways to park, because you book it in advance, it's cheaper. It's not as expensive as people think. Okay, it may be $30 for a whole week, and it's gonna be in a gated area with 24/7 security most of the time. Okay, so most of those, the trolleys that take you from the parking lot to here, they stop at about an hour and a half most of the time before the boat departs. Tip number two, tag your own bags. So in advance, print out your itinerary with your luggage and your room tags. Tag your own bags, okay? Go to Dollar Tree, get those little dollar luggage tags. Don't rely on the boat to take care of that for you, because they, like I said, they're hustling and busting, tossing them bags into a big old cart. Okay, so it may get ripped off, and they may just not scan it properly to know what room it's going to. So if you protect your luggage, you take the initiative to go ahead and secure your bags. Okay, because they will leave it in the customer service desk unattended for anybody to come and claim. So you don't want them Balenciagas and those nice heels from Fashion Nova to be snatched up before you even get to take a picture with them on Captain's Night. Okay, and number three, pay your gratuities in advance. Okay, so whoever you book your cruise through, all right, there's an option to pay your port fees and taxes in advance. Take care of that in advance, because it's one less thing to worry about. You want to get on the boat and already know the amount of money you already have to spend is yours to spend. Whether it's lost, gambled, or stolen, you're going to be good, okay? What you don't want to do is owe the cruise money by the time you leave.
Got on my drink.
All right?
No.
All right, and sometimes as well, it may be cheaper to just go ahead and pay it in advance sometimes. But yeah, listen, the peace of mind is going to be the best of mind. Part number four, when it comes to your excursions, okay, we want to get to the Bahamas, we want to get to DR, Turks and Caicos, and we want to travel and do certain type of things that are different. Not only you want to prepare for those, already have that money set aside off the prices you see on Carnival website or what you see at cruiseexcursions.com or whatever like that. But keep in mind, some of the best excursions may be the ones that the crew members on board knows about, okay? So get friendly with your crew members. Not only will that produce possibly free drinks, not only will it produce more access in the clubs and the bars, but also too, they'll give you the inside scoops on these places, because you gotta keep in mind, they've been traveling to this place back and forth for probably 2-3 weeks. So they know the hot spots on the island where you may not. Treat the cruise like Vegas. I'm talking about what happens on the boat stays on the boat. You know what I'm saying? I mean, live up your best life. Don't get stuck in worrying about these what people personally think about you. Most of these people travel from states that are not even located near you, okay? And everybody's here to have a good time. That's the amazing thing about a cruise, because you get to put yourself in an environment to where you can be whoever you want to be, you know? So live it up, make those memories, and make them last forever. All right, so that sums it up for the Cruise Tips 101. For majority of all my first-time cruise travelers, kings and queens, listen, this is one of the best ways to invest and really capitalize off your money, because majority of it is like 98% all-inclusive, okay? And travel around the world, honestly, is one of the best ways to gain that culture, okay, that we need to be more divine, okay? So travel around the world, take your queens out as well and expose her, okay? We all need this type of exposure. Y'all stay tuned in, like, subscribe, leave me some comments on different travel questions you may have. I've been to 4 countries already, multiple states. I traveled, I flew out and stayed, I cruised multiple times. So y'all really hit me up and tell me what's best and what you guys are curious on for planning your vacations in 2019.